Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about file format. So far, we specifically defined the file format with type equal to CSV, field delimiter equal to comma, escape header equal to 1, which is totally fine, but we can use here file format object name as well. So in this video, we will learn how to define file format object name here. One request, viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. First, let's see the data file available in this stage. Control enter to list all data file available in this stage. Here, two file available. Let us assume we have a table called order, and this is the structure of this table. Let's create. Table is created for our demonstration. Now we create here separate schema for our file format object name. Here we create a schema in ManageDB table, and this is the schema name file format. This is optional, but it is best practice to use separate schema for file format. Now let's create file format. We have a command create or replace. This is optional command, and write here file format. After that, fully qualify file format name. Here ManageDB is the database and file format is the schema which I create here, and my file format is the file format object name. Okay, control enter to execute this statement. File format, my file format created. You can see here, this is the schema and this is the file format. Okay, now let's see the properties of this file format. Here is the default properties of this file format. For example, type equal to CSV, record delimiter equal to slash, and field delimiter equal to comma, and this is the 23 properties of this file format. Okay, now let's load using file format object name. Here we write copy into command, which is already learned in previous video. If you do not watch, you can watch from Snowflake playlist in my channel. And this is the table name, fully qualified table name we write here, and after that from, and this is the stage name. Here we want to load from this stage name, and after that write here file format, and now we write here simply file format underscore name equal to ManageDB file format schema, and this is the file format name. So let's execute. Here 1001 row passed, but nothing loaded because we do not skip the header. So let's alter the file format object name. Here we have a command called alter, then write here file format, then fully qualify file format object name, and set here set skip header equal to 1. Okay, here this command executed successfully. Let's see the properties of file format. Now here set skip header equal to 1, and previously here 0, because we do not set any skip header equal to 1. Okay, default properties is 0. Now we alter this file format object name. Now load this data into this table. Okay, so 1000 row pass and 998 row loaded, because in this file we have two error, which is text value in this column. Which column? You can see here profit column. We put intentionally two text value to understand the error. We already discussed in previous video. You can watch from Snowflake playlist. So let's populate and validate data. Here data is populated and 998 row loaded successfully by using file format object name. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.